Hi, I'm Paula from Sun Enterprises, the biggest manufacturer of leather, steel clasp and jewelry component, and now we are going to show you our new collection of leather cords for men. This style of leather, it's called Kajhur style, and like here we have a little collection of 7 different colors. First we have the blue colors. We have 3 types of blue colors. First one is the dark blue, later we have a light blue, and finally we have a turquoise one. Later we have 4 colors. These are neutral colors. First we have this light gray color. Later we have the typical black one, this dark brown, and later we have another similar color that is also a dark brown. To show you the uses for this type of leather, we are going to make a bracelet of one of this type of leather. The color we are going to use for making this bracelet is going to be this light blue. And we need some basic material to make this type of bracelet. First, we need glue, later the gloves to protect our hands. For making the bracelet, we're going to use these lugs, the MGCT 92 11.7 millimeters in color black. The last thing we're going to need are going to be scissors. For making the bracelet, we're going to use 19 centimeters of the leather cord that we're going to cut with the scissors. And here we have what we are going to use. For the next step, we are going to use these 3 materials, and what we need to do is to use this log to make the bracelet. So we have to put glue inside the log by this way, not too much, and we put it inside the log and we have to let them dry. Now we have to do the same but in the other side, and we have to let it dry also during 2 minutes. We put the glue and we have to put it inside. Now we have the bracelet made and we have to let them dry. This is the final bracelet, and to open the log you have to do it in this way. Now you can see that we have a final bracelet with our leather cord for men.